Hi everyone. In this video today, I wanted to talk about our new blog post that we have published about how to repurpose your industrial B2B content. So, what do you mean by repurposing? Repurposing is nothing but using your one piece of content and creating separate pieces, different pieces of content. For example, if you have a blog you have published, you can create other pieces of content like a video like what I am doing, or an infographic, or that can be used in a thought leadership post on LinkedIn. So there are various ways in which you can use a single piece of content into various ways. Now let's quickly dive into the advantages of repurposing content. So it helps you to improve your website, because when you publish content on a regular basis, Google recognizes it, and so it also helps with your SEO, because you are going to use keyword rich content every time you publish a new piece of content. Secondly, it saves times and effort because you've already done the research for the original piece. So that means you only need to take information out of that original piece and create a different content type. Plus, there are various type of, third point is there are different types of people who like, some like video, some like infographics, some like to read in-depth articles. When you create information which can be quickly consumed by different types of people, then your content is going to go further and further to and reach new customers or new prospects. You also will be able to bring these people further down the buying cycle, because you will be able to let them know that you understand the customer, your customer, very well through the content you are creating. Now, how to repurpose content is the heart of this blog post, and we have covered in depth. It's a very detailed article where we have covered how to repurpose the blogs that you post in on your industrial website, or you know case studies. Then we have also covered product videos, ebooks, white papers, FAQs, webinar, podcast, interviews, and last is buying guides. So, how do you repurpose all these types of content, and what are the, and we've already given ideas on what you can create out of the original existing content that you have on your website. Because content is hard to create, it makes sense to use existing pieces and creating more attractive and more easy to consume pieces out of that one piece of content. So have a look at this article. It's got a lot of information that will help you to use in repurposing content for your website. Thank you for watching this video, and have a good day.